Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to insert battery into your GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First, you want to simply take your GoPro and want to rotate it to see the little switch here. By default, it's not red, it's just like that. What you want to do is you want to switch it to the red, and now the hatch is able to move. You want to press your finger and move it downwards, and now you can lift it upwards. And now we can see a little hatch underneath. You want to take your battery and make sure that you actually put it the right way, because this is the wrong way. So you can actually see that you want to look at the blue logo and you want to put it logo to logo, because otherwise if you put it wrong way you can't really put it all the way there and the hatch won't be able to close. Also, as a little reminder, you can remove the battery by holding this little piece of plastic. So logo to logo. Now we can put it all the way into there and we can close the hatch without any issues. We can move it right here, lock it, and the camera is inside our GoPro. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.